Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. You will go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Strava and you will click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.